Hello friends and neighbors, I'll be reading I Can Read, Pete the Kitten, and the Case of the Hiccups. Hiccups of Hiccup, oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup, how do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grammy Toe, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Grammy Toad. Do stand on one foot. Pete stand on 1 foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete said, Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Callie. You stand on 1 foot and hop up and down. Pete stand on 1 foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Gus. You stand on 1 foot. I hop up and down and sing a song. Pete stand on 1 foot, hop up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Bob. You stand on 1 foot. I hop up and down, sing a song, rub my belly, said Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, said Bob. Pete and Mom asked Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete take a deep breath. Hold my breath and blow it out, said Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That it? Pete asked. That it? Said Mom. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. And the hiccups are gone. Mom are so smart. Thank you for listening. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Thank you for listening.